transaction is being processed. Please enter your personal identification number. Your transaction is being processed. Please select second button on the right side of screen for
Cash deposit on.
select third button on the right. Your transaction is being processed.
डालो ऐसे
हाँ बिल्कुल
रख दो अंदर। हाँ बस।
ओके कर दो
ओके
जारी कर दो
जारी ओके
Your transaction is being processed.
स्लिप दिखाने
जमा हो गया
जमा हो गया।
कार्ड बाहर आ गया
Thank you for using this ATM.
दस 11 12